This video was made possible thanks to the Pump Station and Nursery. Come visit us at 2727 Main Street in Santa Monica, California. You can also visit our website, pumpstation.com. Hello, this is Adam, the certified car seat technician with infant, toddler, youth, and the Pump Station and Nursery, and we're going to show you how to loosen and tighten the straps on the Clek Liing or Liingo. So if you look near the front of the car seat, you're going to see a strap sticking out. This is your tightening strap. If you pull on it, the harness is going to get nice and snug. When you're ready to loosen it, you're going to look for the opening in the fabric. It's right above where the harness is. And if you stick your finger in there, you're going to feel a button. Make sure you push and hold the button down. Then with your other hand, grab one of the shoulder straps and you want to pull it away from the car seat. If you loosen one side, the other side will adjust with it. The straps will always stay even. So pull to tighten, hold the button, and pull away from the shoulder to loosen. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow the Pump Station and Nursery on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. All the details will be in the description below. See you in the next video.